So today I'm gonna start with the series with one of my favorite brand, and also which I am connected because they really showed results onto my skin, and as well as it worked wonders to my skin. I don't know about others, but I can tell you that yes, it has worked because I have been so consistent with this product. So it has worked because you have to be little consistent. So this is the product which I've longest used, so I can tell you about that. So stay with me and keep on watching. Hello, welcome to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this monsoon season. From today, I have thought of doing a series where I will review the brand. Like you have often seen that people are reviewing the products and all, but you haven't seen, I don't know, I haven't seen come across that any beauty blogger reviewing the brand as a whole, like what they are doing. Because हाँ ये भी हो सकता है कि if they are reviewing the product as a whole, so they are reviewing the brand itself, no, but it's important कि मुझे लगा like what I like came across that it's important to know which brand you are investing in. Like हम तो सुन लेते हैं, we have seen in the advertisement and we are like purchasing it. So we usually tend to buy the products as we see in the advertisement, और हमको like हमको बहुत अच्छा लगता है देखने में, the packaging is good and all that. But why we are investing it in a brand and why we are investing it in a product? So that is very important. Like awareness is very important. Like you should aware of the product and what in the total the brand is. Like आपको ना जान के you will feel happy that your brand is like giving back to the nature, or your brand is like doing something for the rural people. So in this series I will talk about the Indian brands. I will tell you how they are coming up with the best ingredients, and they are putting their whole lot of efforts and trying to make it like as parallel to the international brands. So today I'm gonna talk about Plum, and it has been there in the market since a long time. This is one of the brand which have come with the cruelty free products, SLS free, paraben free, no harmful preservative, nothing, no chemicals have been used in this product. Like they have been there since 2014, and I have come across this product since I have told you, like been 2 years now that I am using this product. One of these products, starting में I used to use only their night gel as well as their kajal, but now I have been trying new products from there. So this is a brand which I've come across that they are so cruelty free, they are 100% vegan. So as I've already told that they don't, what do you mean by vegan? They don't use any animal derived product, like no honey as well as no beeswax, nothing. They are purely made up of like natural ingredients, organic ingredients. They are strictly against animal testing. What do you mean by animal testing? Like they are against like cruelty, like they don't use their products, they don't test their products on animals. Okay, so it's very important. Like I being myself the animal lover and a pet lover, I don't want any of the rabbits or any guinea pigs or any animals should be harmed. Like I have a rabbit, as like people who know me, they know me that I have a rabbit for such a long time. So I don't want कि I use a product which harms them or any of the such kinds of animals. So that is very important. So I look upon the products where they don't harm animals. They have strictly kept in the mind that they have not used any SLS, any parabens, any harmful chemicals, any sodiums, any sulfates, any silicones in their product. They have made it, as I've said, they've made it all organic. When you talk about the packaging, some comes under this type of glass bottles and some comes under this plastic bottle. So I will tell you that these plastics are 100% recyclable. So they make sure that they make products like they make the packaging with plastic, and if they're using plastic, they are 100% recyclable plastic. So nothing is harmed in the in the environment. People might ask that why it is need to know about the brand. हम तो purchase कर रहे हैं, advertisement दिखा रहा है, people are talking about, तो obviously good होगा ही. But nahi, it is very important कि you should know that you should have that sense of responsibility-ness, yeah, responsibleness, that you must know where the money you are investing is going to in a good way or not. Like, is your money invested is worth or not? Okay, so when I talk about this brand Plum, so they contribute 1% of their annual sales to the environment, to the planet itself. So as we say that बूंद बूंद से ही तो घड़ा भरता है ना. तो you might think that 1%, but 1% of the whole annual sales they are investing upon. In the bottle or any of their packaging, you can see that there has been mentioned 1% for the planet. So they are giving back to the planet, like they are doing for us. So ultimately, so this is what you should always keep in the mind. Yes, the brand is doing it for us, like for everybody. So this is what I feel about the brand, and that is why I get connected. So this is how I get connected towards the brand, and which tend me to like to buy from them again and again. So the brand deals with the skincare as well as hair care, the body care, and they also deal with the only one product they have in their cosmetic range is that they have their kajals. And guys, trust me, those who have used their kajal, nobody has denied that they haven't liked it. Because their pigmentation, its staying power and all, like they are wonderful. Like, oh my god, they are the bomb. So as far as my knowledge, I can tell you that the brand will come up further with more cosmetic ranges, their products, and because their kajal are one of the best selling kajals. So with all these things, I have talked much about the brand. With that, I will sum up with the pros and cons of the brand. So let's talk about the cons of the brand. So this con I have already talked about in my previous video in the Plum Green Tea review. So if you haven't watched that video, do check it out after watching this video. I will provide the link down below in the description box. So with that, the con which I felt that they use a little harsh fragrance when it comes to, yes, but their fragrance comes from the natural synthetic fragrance. They are not harmful. They will not affect your skin, or the sensitive skin types को भी उन लोग को कोई harm नहीं करेगा. But yes, some people I have seen and I have taken reviews from the brand itself. They also told me that they have complaints from they have feedbacks from their customers that to change the little fragrance of their product. So, but as far as I know कि उन लोग का जो production हो चुका है, उन लोग में तो वो fragrance change नहीं कर सकते. But with the upcoming, with the upcoming products, they are trying changing the fragrance. I have felt that I have used many products after giving them feedback. And the second con which I felt that they have not mentioned the percentage of the ingredients they have used. Suppose they are using glycolic acid, suppose they are using salicylic acid, they haven't mentioned how much percentage they have they have used in the product. So with that, people who like me who are aware of about such percentages and they want to know the percentage, in that sense they won't find any percentage in any of their packaging. They haven't mentioned. I have already given this feedback to them, and I hope they will consider my feedback, and they will change and look into it, and they will make it little transparent. So let's talk about the pros. So number one pros is that they do, as I have already said, that they are against animal testing, and also with that they have been PETA certified. They have been certified from the very international organization that they don't harm any animals. Like there's no hidden process. So number two pro, I felt that they haven't used any of the chemicals which I have already mentioned, and also they have made the different ranges of products for the acne, for the combination, for the dry skin types. They have a different range of products, so that the people, those who are facing the acne problem or sensitive skin problem, they have a different range. So this is a very good and very like you can choose your products according to your skin type. So number third pro is very close to my heart. They believe in a sustainable environment. So for them, the environment is very important. So they are focusing upon the environmental environmental friendly products. So with that, they have come up with an idea of like, if you finished up a product, so they will ask you to give that product back, so that they will recycle the product and they will reuse the product. So in that way you are also, so they will also give you some rewards. So in that you are in a win-win situation, like you are giving back the product and you are winning, so you are winning some rewards also. So like, so emptying the product means that you have to finish the product, like 2-3 products you have to accumulate it, and you can then contact the customer care or you can contact Plum, and then you will get back the, like they will take the products from you and you will get the rewards. Per product you will might, like there is 50 rupees reward that I have also earned. So number 4 and the most important for the customer point of view, from a user point of view, is that we always look for a good customer service. Like once your product is sold, the many brands, they don't like bother ki aapko acha laga nahi laga and all that. But if you give them feedback, trust me guys, if you give them feedback, if you talk to them, if you talk about your skin concern, they will provide you with the solution. They will provide you with a good, like they will provide you, they will guide you. So as a content creator, it is very important to know the brand and also to get connected with the brand. If you don't get connected, if you don't like the product, so we can't talk about the product. So with this, I have come to the end with the long informative video. I hope you're gonna take back something from this video and you get some information about the brand. And this is what my take on making this series. And with that, I am signing off, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the notification button so that you get notification when I post a video. Bye, love you.
I look at people and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I state, I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit brain waves. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want